Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I was filming a move in with me video. Oh yeah, I just moved into my new apartment. But I was filming a move in with me video, and in the video is going to be like a little segment of the empty apartment tour. Until I realized that I feel like I'm gonna have like 4 hours of footage for the move video, and 10 minutes of it, like an edited, full finished 10 minutes of it, is the apartment tour. And I was like, I feel like I should just upload that separately because it's a whole video in itself. And I know a lot of people love to watch empty apartment tours. So that's what this video is. That's why I'm filming the intro at a different time, because I thought it was just gonna be like a little segment in the video, but it's its own video in its own. So if you don't know, I just moved into a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in West Hollywood, California. And yeah, that's it. I moved in with one roommate, and I don't really know what else I have to say besides I hope you enjoy the empty apartment tour. Of course, after this coming is the same move-in video, and then I'm going to be doing a room transformation because obviously I'm on an air mattress and I have nothing in here. Boxes of clothes. I don't have a dresser yet. I have no hangers for my closet, so clearly we need to get some work done here, but that'll be in another video. This is just the empty apartment tour, so you get to see like the layout of everything. And then if you stick around, you'll be able to see the progression and how it becomes super cute, because I have really fun plans for my room. So I'm excited. Kind of blinded right now, but here's the front door, and let's go in. I'm gonna turn on the camera, and that's like the view from when you first walk in. So this is the view when you first walk in. Front door, right here. We're two 19-year-olds getting an apartment in LA. Of course, it's gonna be a little small, but it's so cute that I really don't, I'm not like mad about the size, because it's also newly remodeled. Like nobody's lived in here since the remodel, and it looks so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, sorry, that's just my disclaimer of why it's small, but I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory. Anyways, so this is like the living room area. We're gonna have a couch there, and then right over here is the kitchen. There's a big window, which I love natural lighting. Like big windows was a very big thing for me, especially for filming. As you can see, it's pretty good lighting. It's like amazing lighting compared to my house at home, where I was living before. So I'm very excited. I'm editing this clip in later. So if the lighting is all weird, like it wasn't 2 seconds ago, that's why. I forgot to mention, we have air conditioning, which I'm counting as a really big thing because the apartment in Huntington didn't. It was bad because they moved in August. August, September, October were kind of really bad. November, December, January weren't that bad, but now we don't have to deal with that. We have an AC. I don't know if we have a heater. I don't know if we do, so that might be a little bit of an issue. I don't know, but we have AC. Brand new floors, and then the kitchen is like so pretty. I love the countertops. I had black countertops before, and white countertops just look much better for like food, photos, videos, and such. And then we have a dishwasher, oven, microwave, and so much cabinet space. It's actually kind of crazy. All down here too. On this side, we have a Lazy Susan along with this side. So we will never run out of space for like kitchen stuff, which is very nice. I don't know what the name of this is. I'm blanking. Backsplash? I feel like that's wrong. That doesn't sound right. So yeah, guys, this is the new kitchen I'm gonna be filming in. I plan on this little island thing right here, putting my camera up on a tripod, like right here, and then I'll be standing on the side of the counter filming. So hopefully that works out. I'll actually have to figure out like my real kitchen setup once we are moved in and I'm gonna be filming. So yeah, so sorry if there wasn't a video for like the past week-ish. It's just because I've been moving. I bet people can understand that. But once I'm more settled, videos, I'm gonna pretty much be doing twice a week, so that makes me very excited. Leaving the kitchen, the next thing I'm gonna show you is right over here, front door, along the wall, it's this next door. And this is something that was pretty, not a necessity, but something that was like a big box. If an apartment had this, it would tick that off. And that is in-unit washer and dryer. The place that we had in Huntington, like had a shared laundry room, which it's just, that's so annoying to have to leave to go do your laundry. And I don't want to go to a laundromat, definitely not. So we have a washer and dryer in here, and then 2 like really big, more storage. We have so much storage. So that's this wall. And remember, right here is the kitchen. This is the one weird thing about this apartment, is that the kitchen is here, okay. That's the fridge. The fridge is like in the hallway and over here is the kitchen. I don't quite get it. Like if I'm cooking over here, I'm like, you know, cooking on the stove, whatever. I have to just, now I'm at the fridge. It's obviously, it's not like it's actually that much of an inconvenience. It was just planned really weirdly. It must have been during the remodel. I feel like it wasn't originally made with the fridge right there. And if it was, interesting choice. Why the fridge has so much like pantry space. I feel like Lawson and I are just gonna split it down the middle and like this will be my half and this will be his half, or vice versa, whichever it is, because there's so much. I could fit so much food in here and I'm very, very, very excited because moving here, I want to start eating more whole foods again, like less processed, less eating out, just because this past year I've been all over the place, so I haven't been eating as well as I would like. I'm fine, like it's okay, but I want to get like back into cooking more regularly. I still cook a lot, but not as much as I would like. So I'm gonna fill all that stuff up and I'm so excited. And then the fridge and freezer, nothing too exciting. Oh my, why did I not does this thing, does that mean I get filtered water? Does a fridge, like water dispenser, mean you get filtered water, or do you still have to like pay for that? Because past apartments, like the one in Huntington and the one in Lawson staying at right now, we don't have water. Because I could get a Brita, but I saw on TikTok, which who knows how valid of a resource TikTok is, but I saw on TikTok that LA water through a Brita isn't good enough. Which I was doing that in Huntington for 6 months, so I clearly didn't die, but wait, what happens if I does water come out? This is probably a bad idea. I'm gonna get water on the floor, but I really wanna know. Not yet. Oh, maybe they don't turn on our water until we move in? Nope, we definitely have water. Oh, it works. I just got water and ice. I don't have anything to clean this up with. I wasn't thinking this through. The ice tastes good and filtered to me. Right behind the kitchen is the first bathroom. This is not my bathroom because it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Probably should have explained that earlier, but yes, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And it's so nice. It's small, but look at the shower heads, guys. It's like the waterfall ones. And then there's a little seat if you want to sit down for whatever reason. And then a little, whatever that thing's called. But yeah, I don't know. Sink, cabinet space. I haven't even looked under here. Okay, cute. Oh, why did I think this would open if it led to the sink? You leave the bathroom, and then you're in this area, which both of these walls have these two shelf things. I don't really know what we're gonna do here. We're gonna probably put plants on it, but turning into here is my roommate Lawson's bedroom. They're not completely white walls. It looks darker because I wasn't able to get here until almost 4 p.m. No, it's only 3:20. Anyways, the sun sets so early now that after 3, it starts to get not as light. So it looks a little darker. There's not much to show in here. It's a bedroom. Closet has mirror, doors, and then there's a fan in the window. But yeah. Leaving this room, we're back at the hallway thing, and this is my bedroom. It pretty much, looks the same. It's a little bit smaller, but then I have a connected bathroom. So this is my bathroom. Also the lights are automatic, which I don't think is something I can turn off, but I would like to turn it off if I can. In the middle of the night, I don't want to have to walk into my bathroom and have my lights turn on and be blinded. I can turn them off, but then when I leave and I walk back in, oh, they don't turn on. Never mind, that probably solved it. Okay, same shower though. Cool shower head, little jet thing, seat, sink, cabinets, toilet. So I've already ordered. It doesn't work, see? I don't know how to fix this. Or like, because those switches only turn more things on, and that one turns it off, but it only lasts like 10 seconds until it notices me again and turns back on. We're gonna have to figure that out. I hope that's something I can change, but I feel like it isn't. Oh well, I'll deal with it. I've already ordered like a bath mat, hand towel, soap dispenser, I don't know, a couple little like bathroom things, so it's gonna look a little bare for a while until I get that, but I think it's arriving sometime within the next week. So, yeah. This is my bedroom. And then I have the same mirror closet doors. I think it's the same size as my closet at home, which I was kind of hoping for a little bit of a bigger closet because my clothes don't fit in my closet at home. But I kind of think that this is the end of the empty apartment tour. I mean, it's not too big. I don't have that much to show, but stay tuned for so many move-in videos. If you're not subscribed, now is the time to do so. I was writing a list of video ideas in my new apartment that I want to do, and I have so many. There's gonna be a move-in, empty apartment tour, room transformation, first grocery shop, pantry tour, fridge tour, morning routine. That's just a few of my ideas, but I have a ton of fun videos coming. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be living here. I'm so excited to have my own bedroom. I haven't really had a bedroom for the past like 3 weeks, so that's been a little weird. I'm so excited to start cooking. The location of this place, I'm not joking, is my like absolute ideal location. I don't think I could have chosen like a better place. So I'm very excited. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.